Over recent weeks, I've gone over a few of the totally awesome haversacks that I've found on the second-hand market. Well, that also got me thinking of other things that you can buy through military surplus shops that you may find a use for in the everyday, whilst on a day hike, or even whilst camping. This is why I've decided to start a new playlist of totally awesome mess kits and canteens. So stick around and see you in a bit. Now, this canteen and cup set was designed to be issued in 1984. The bottle holds a capacity of approximately 800 millilitres. There's two ways to open the bottle, actually. On the lid, there's the usual screw top, but also on the very top of the lid, there's a port. Now, this port is designed to be used with a gas mask. You feed the tubes onto it, and then those tubes then go directly into the gas mask. On the sides of the bottle, there's two raised knurls. This is so the cup itself fits snugly with a nice little click. The cup itself is aluminium. It's got a sturdy butterfly handle and holds approximately 500 millilitres. The empty weight of the canteen is just over 0.2 kilograms, just shy of 10 ounce. Now, on the bottom of this cup, there's a date stamp of 1992 and the manufacturer's initials, which are JE. Now, one of the great things about military surplus is each item has its own history, and a previous owner who this may have been issued to has scratched their initials into the bottom of the cup, and it's either WW or MM. I wonder who they were. The same applies to the field pack that I brought. This was issued to someone called Long. Again, wonder who they were. Wonder what rank they achieved. Now, the canteen was made in 1999. There's a little date stamp there that says 99. The canteen itself was made by a company called BMW Vogel. Now, bizarrely, the only company that I can find online is a company that operates out of multiple locations in Germany that are a registered BMW and Mini dealership. So maybe they've changed scope of business or something, I do not know. All I can tell you is that the canteen and cup retails for about £9 online. I got mine from Epic Militaria. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.